You are welcome again to Real Trading with David Wekulo. In this segment of my YouTube channel, I actually trade live. I take all the hype away and I trade live here to show you that if you have nice trading skill, you can trade and make moderate and reasonable income. Keep your life going. This morning, I'm going to give you update about our running trades, that the ones we took from Tuesday, they are still running. And I'm also going to show you some of the trades set up that we will be taking today or in the course of the week. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and be a part of the community. Here we teach you how to trade. We show you everything. We do not hide any aspect of it from you except things that are highly proprietary. So if you want to actually learn how to trade and get inspiration, click on the subscribe button and be a part of the community. And quickly, let's review the trades that are running. As we did yesterday, we entered GBP JPY. As you can see, the GBP JPY trade, we entered it around here. It is very much in profit. We will look at it, and it has given us a profit of 139 US dollar currently, and it is still running. In fact, based on the potential of that trade, I am looking at closing that trade with up to 200 US dollar or more if the conditions that I am seeing continue. Then you look at GBP CHF. This trade was playing for some time, but as you can see, it is well into profit with about 68 US dollar. It went up there, came a little, but is now up by 68 US dollar. Then the last trade we have running is CHF Japanese yen. If you notice the CHF Japanese yen yesterday, it was just joking, it was just playing with our intelligence, but we kept the trade running. So you see, it is well into profit. It has even overtaken the GBP CHF and it is doing well. All right, so those are the running trades. As you can see, this account we started with just $500. At the moment, our balance is 1,205 US dollar, while the equity is $1,500. You can see here the running trades. As you are seeing it, it is now $300 running trades. So if we close these running trades, we would have made good profit for the new month. But the month is still going very fine. We have not even reached half of the month, and we are doing well. This account we started with just 500 US dollar. We have traded it to 1,2 as the balance, while the equity has grown to 1,500. So what are you waiting for? Join the Weldds Forex Academy to learn how to trade. Here we are not giving any hype. We take the hype away. We want you to approach trading with the right mentality. Once you learn how to trade and you come here, you can trade effectively and make reasonable income to get your life going. Now let's quickly look at some of the trades that I might be adding later. This thing on the screen is the Weldds macro tracker. If you come to YouTube today and search so many channels, I believe we are the best when it comes to fundamental analysis. You can doubt me or show me evidence of some other better channels that are doing the fundamentals. And I keep telling people that fundamental analysis is not news trading. You should not just go to Forex Factory and look for the news. If the news is positive, you buy. If it is red, you sell. It is not news trading. When doing fundamental analysis, you need to analyze different economic data, up to 20 of them, from GDP, inflation, retail sales, and so many other things. Then you compare the top economies. You analyze the data across all of them. Then when you compare, you now have the holistic view, which this rating shows us. And from the rating, you see that Japanese yen has been dropping significantly. It was the third strongest currency based on the macroeconomics, and now it has dropped by 11.76% compared to the previous month. While if you look at something like the euro was very weak and it is still among the three lower currencies, but if you compare the strength, it has acquired 11.90% strength compared to previous month. When we are trading with fundamentals, we trade with divergence. We take the currency that is doing well and compare it to the one that is not doing well when it comes to their macroeconomics. Okay, so that was why we chose GBP JPY, and that trade is doing well. Another currency that you can look at is something like like Euro JPY, and maybe you can also look at Euro AUD. And if you go to the chart and look at these currency pairs like Euro JPY, even without going to the chart, I just know that based on the macroeconomics, this thing should be pushing up, and that is exactly what is going here. Then the same thing with Euro AUD, it should be pushing up as well. This is the power of the fundamentals. It shows you what you should be expecting here. So for Euro AUD, the market has just been pushing and pushing, no significant retracement, and I don't like entering this kind of trade when there is no significant retracement, except if the market retraces and give me clear understanding. The one we were supposed to take was here. It has pushed back. Let's hope that maybe this currency can still drop a little before you can think of adding to that trade. If it drops to maybe 61.8 fib level or 78.6 fib level. Another instrument you need to consider is US 500, the S&P 500. This is a potentially good trade I should be looking to take. Let's just do something. Although I might not take it right away, I'm still observing. This is the daily time frame. If you take a trend line and draw from this point and cross here, this is what you should wait. It has already come towards an area which I think is good. If I expand this, go to 4-hour time frame, it is already showing some signs that it's about to start going up. And now what I would like to see, if it will push to this trend line and maybe give me a change of structure, I can take that trade. But you know, one of the reasons why I do not like trading the S&P 500, let's look at this. If you go to your brokerage platform, well, the trade is doing well. The trade is doing well. This is Exness. I'm trading with Exness, and you just search for US 500. US 500. You enter. Okay, this is one of the reasons you need to pay attention. S&P 500. Where is it? This is it. If you right click on it and go to specification and scroll down, you see here, this is one of the reasons why I do not like trading these indices, and that is because of the swap long. Because I am a swing trader, I like to keep my trade running for a long period of time. Okay, so if I keep my trade running for the next 1 month or 2 months, I am going to be paying a lot when it comes to the swap. Look at the swap here. The swap here is minus 111.5. That is around $111.5 per standard lot, which is too much for me to take. Okay, so instead of going to take this kind of risks, I don't trade it at all. Not because I can't analyze it. When I analyze properly, I understand the movement, but if I will be paying this amount to keep a trade running, I don't think it is worth it. That is one of the reasons that I also do not really like taking gold for a long time. If you go to the specification here, I only trade gold when it is selling, and you know that most of the time gold is always trending up. Okay, the same thing with S&P 500, and I don't know why the brokers do this. Look at it. If I am trading gold, how can I be paying $350 for a standard lot on gold to keep it running, and on Wednesday they are going to charge you 3 times of that? So I feel it is better I save my account, except when gold is trending downward. Those people that have been trading S&P 500 and gold and keeping it for a long time, how are you doing it? I think the only way for me personally that I would like to take this kind of trades, if the broker does not charge swap, I can take those trades. But if the broker is charging swap, just like what you have seen here with Exness, I will stay away from it. That's why I like concentrating on the currencies. And one special thing is for Japanese yen pairs. Anytime that the Japanese yen pairs are bullish, that the GBP JPY is bullish, Euro JPY is bullish, AUD JPY is bullish, I like to take those trades because the swap will also be in my favor. So those are the running trades, and that is the update for today. Another currency that I think we should also look at is AUD CHF. Just look at AUD CHF here. Let's go to the chart and search for AUD CHF. Okay, so this is the chart of AUD CHF. Let me just delete this. And if you go to the daily time frame, let's check the daily time frame. In fact, let's go from weekly. Yeah, weekly time frame. You see from the weekly that this currency has this level to contend with. then it is showing you a kind of downtrend. So that is a good observation. Then if you go to the daily time frame, you will see that the trend, it came here, broke out of this level, retested and continued. So let's go to 4-hour time frame and see what this can do for us. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, this is what I would like to see. It's just a trade idea, but at the moment I would like to see something like this. If this trade push to this level or here and then show me signs, I might take it. It's just a trade idea, so I might just take it, and that is it. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow I'll be back here to analyze another thing. For those of you that want me to trade for you, yes, I can actually trade for you, but I encourage people to start with sizable amount of money like 10,000 US dollar. If you want me to trade for you, check the description of this video. You will see a link to my WhatsApp. Chat me directly and we'll do business. If the money is going to be in any Forex account that you have, any broker of your choice, I would only place trades and manage the trade while we share the profit. If that is good for you, well done. You can chat me. And for you that want to join the Weldds Forex Academy, what are you waiting for? You know, this is the best thing that can happen to you. The skill that will help you to make meaningful income without leaving your 9-to-5 job. And you can also do this full time. If you want to join the Weldds Forex Academy, check the description. You will see the link to join the academy and I'll be glad to have you. See you tomorrow.